Hey, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered how your body builds muscle, burns energy, and even controls aging? Meet mTOR, a master regulator inside your cells that controls growth and metabolism. But like all powerful tools, it comes with both benefits and risks. Today I'll explore how mTOR works, why you might want to boost it or suppress it, and what it means for your health. First, what is mTOR? mTOR stands for Mechanistic Target of Rapamycin. It's a protein kinase that helps relay signals inside your cells. It comes in two main complexes, mTORC1, which controls cell growth, protein synthesis, and metabolism, and mTORC2, which regulates cell survival and cytoskeletal organization. Think of mTORC1 as a gas pedal for growth, while mTORC2 keeps the car running smoothly. Now, why is mTOR good for us? mTOR is essential for muscle growth, activating protein synthesis crucial for bodybuilders and athletes. It also helps in cellular energy production, brain function, and wound healing. If you want to build muscle or recover from injuries, mTOR is your best friend. But there's a dark side. Too much mTOR activation can lead to aging acceleration, cancer growth, and metabolic diseases like obesity and type 2 diabetes. In short, mTOR is a double-edged sword. Too much activation can push your cells into overdrive, leading to long-term health risks. So, how to suppress mTOR? You can lower mTOR activity through fasting and caloric restriction, rapamycin, low-protein diets, and endurance training like long-distance running. But if you're looking to build muscle, recover from injuries, or boost metabolism, increase mTOR activation through strength training, protein and leucine-rich foods, insulin spikes from post-workout carbs, and adequate sleep. So, should you activate or suppress mTOR? The key is balance. Cycle between activation and suppression to optimize both health and performance. Did you learn something new? Hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into human biology. Let me know in the comments. Are you Team mTOR Boost or Team mTOR Suppression?